Okay, so this is the first PowerPoint that you should be watching when you're revising for social psychology. Now, on this first PowerPoint, we're looking at the definitions or the key features of the approach. Now, the specification says that you need to be able to define social psychology, understanding that the approach is about aspects of humans' behaviour that involves individuals, and then aspects of human behaviour that involves interaction with groups. So what is social psychology? Social psychology is the study of the ways in which humans impact upon one another. Now we can see this application within real life when we look at football hooliganism, or the examples that you've looked at where we're explaining obedience or how prejudice can be formed between groups. Social psychology is actually the practice that gave way for ethics as well. Okay, there are two key features that you need to know for this approach. Now you need to be able to define what the key features are, name them and explain them. And the two features that you need to know are the effects of interaction between individuals and the effect of being within groups in society. Now the first one, the effects of interaction between individuals. Social psychology looks at interactions with these individuals, and an example of this is altruism, which is helping behaviour. The example that you looked at is to do with obedience, in particular agency theory, which is the theory of obedience that suggests that we are agents within society and we are socialised to obey. We give up our free will, our decision making, and we do exactly as we're told by an authority figure. Now, the important bit with this is that we can understand individuals' behaviour and send signals to them through body language by interpreting how they look and how they behave. So what is social psychology? Social psychology is the study of the ways in which humans impact upon one another. The second key feature that you need to know is the effect of being within a group in society. Now, the social approach assumes that people live within cultures and groups within these societies, and that we are socialised through these groups, and that's where we determine our norms and our behaviour. For example, a child is a girl or a boy, a sister or a brother, and they're socialised into that gender. Now, the example that we looked at in this sense is prejudice, and in particular social identity theory, and how we identify as a member of a group, we categorise ourselves as part of that group, we adopt their social norms, and we behave as a member of that group. And then from there, from the presence of other groups, prejudice can occur. So again, a little summary for you for the exam. You need to be able to name the effect of being within a group within society as your key feature, and you'll go on to explain that we're parts of different cultures, societies and groups. You can use prejudice and social identity theory as an example of this.